Swift Edge 16 SFE16-43-R6FN laptop. Model SFE16-43-R6FN part, ENCS KR3AA002. Operating System Windows 11 Pro. Processor Manufacturer AMD. Processor Type Ryzen 7. Processor Model 7840U. Processor Speed 3.3 GHz. Processor Core Octa-core 8-core. Display and in graphics. Screen size 16. Display screen type OLED. Display screen technology Cine Crystal Glare. Touchscreen No. Screen resolution 3200 x 2000. Standard refresh rate 120 Hz. Aspect ratio 16:10. Memory Total installed system memory 16 GB. System memory technology LPDDR5. Memory card reader Yes. Memory card supported. MicroSD storage. Total solid-state drive capacity 1 TB. Solid-state drive interface PCIe NVMe. SSD form factor M2. Network and in communication. Ethernet technology Gigabit Ethernet. Built-in devices microphone Yes. Fingerprint reader Yes. Number of speakers 2.0. Interfaces ports HDMI Yes. Number of HDMI outputs 1. Number of USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports 2. Total number of USB ports 4. USB Type-C Yes. Network Ray 45. No. PUT devices. Pointing device type touchpad. Keyboard Yes. Keyboard backlight Yes. Keyboard features white backlight. Battery information. Battery chemistry lithium polymer Li polymer. Maximum battery runtime 9 hours. Battery energy 54 Wh. Power description. Maximum power supply wattage 65 W. Physical characteristics. Height 51. Width 14. 1. Depth 9.7. Weight approximate 271 lb. Product color black. Miscellaneous. Package contents. Swift Edge 16 SFE16-43-R6FN laptop. Lithium polymer battery. AC adapter. Power cord. Security features. Noble Lock Ts 08T.